What's one word I have to use to describe the changes? I think it's penuh harapan.
Hijau.
Hijau dan teduh.
Urban Climate Resilience Program, or we call it UCRP for Kuala Lumpur, is a program that is supported by Zach Zurich Foundation, Zurich Malaysia, and DBKL with the collaboration through C40 Cities. And this project is actually a project to help the community build their resilience in facing climate risks such as heat and also flood. Hi, my name is Siti Hajar Madina. I'm the C40's Community Resilience Advisor.
Nama saya Badrul Mekasim. Saya berumur 70 tahun.
My name is Zulaika and I'm 13 years old.
Saya Cik Roziani binti Muhammad Sharif. Umur saya tahun ni 55 tahun. Kita dah duduk sini hampir 23 tahun.
Keadaan cuaca sini memang berubah-berubah. Hujan dan panas. Jika panas tu, masalah dia seperti macam kanak-kanak nak bermain tak boleh kan. Cuaca tu panas, terik. Yang berumur pun macam tu juga. Ini mendatangkan masalah kesihatan.
Perubahan cuaca yang kita nampak yang amat ketara adalah pada tahun ni. Sebab saya selaku pemimpin di sini, jadi banyak jugalah aduan yang mengatakan ada yang sampai kena stroke haba. Jadi sebelum-sebelum ni tak pernah.
This project has been running for about 2 years now. We have rolled out a few assessments on identifying like the level of resilience of the community, identifying what are their needs. So based on the assessments made, we actually identify a few activities or implementation that we can do to help support the communities. For example, greening, making additional shading structures, cooling centers, and it all has been laid out in our Community Resilience Implementation Plan that was launched by the Mayor of Kuala Lumpur in May 2025. So these implementation plans are actually prepared with the collaboration and inputs from the community themselves. So a series of engagement has been made. The communities themselves has provided a few ideas and suggestions which we put inside the implementation plan. So today, all the implementation is tested out. So we've put the greening, the shading structure, the cooling center and the mural to keep the place more vibrant, and we hope that the community can appreciate all the implementation that they themselves have contributed during the engagement sessions.
Sepanjang 2 tahun yang lalu, Yayasan Zach Zurich dan Zurich Malaysia berpeluang bekerjasama dengan pihak DBKL, C40 City dan para penduduk dari PPR Beringin untuk program Daya Tahan Iklim Bandar KL usaha di PPR Beringin mencerminkan komitmen kami untuk bersama membina komuniti yang lebih bersedia dan mampan dalam menghadapi perubahan iklim. Bersama-sama, kita telah membina pelbagai penyelesaian yang mampu membantu penduduk dari cooling center hinggalah ke kawasan redup yang dibangunkan khusus untuk memenuhi keperluan untuk penduduk di PPR Beringin.
The key outcomes that I hope from this project is to actually, we want the community to, understand that we're doing this as a pilot testing where they can see the differences between, having all these implementations on the ground and how it affects the environment they're staying. So maybe the greening can provide more cooling elements to their homes. And then we hope that all this shading will prove that, you need more of these activities to make sure that they can feel much more comfortable hanging out at their places.
Saya rasa perkara-perkara ataupun apa yang kita laksanakan ini telah pun dibincangkan bersama dengan pihak C40, pihak Zurich sebagai pembiaya dan semua rakan-rakan khususnya di dalam Jabatan DBKL, cara mana kita ingin melaksanakan apa hasrat kita. So pagi ini kita dah nampak hasilnya. Kita sangat berharap perkara-perkara yang dilaksanakan ini dapat memberi manfaat kepada para penduduk PPR Beringin khususnya dalam program kita menghadapi keadaan cuaca yang makin mencabar pada masa ini.
Projek yang diadakan sekarang ni menambah baikkanlah untuk komuniti sini. Kalau boleh, saya cadangkan setiap setahun tu adakan 3-4 kali program.
Apa yang kita dapat pada hari ini, kita nampak kita perlu teruskan, terutamanya tentang kehijauan.
Dulu tak berapa meriah, sekarang dah meriah and calming. I hope there's a lot more blue color and very cooling color, and maybe some bumbung to hang out.
This program is actually to help the cities in facing all the heat rays and how it impacts the community in terms of health and their livelihood. So we at C40 Cities, we hope we can help the cities and its residents to be more aware and then can be more resilient in facing all these challenges. And we hope we can see more people, more organizations to support in terms of co-funding, provide support in terms of volunteerism and so on, so that we can together build the city that is more resilient and have the communities be more ready to face all this climate risk.
Terima kasih UCRP.
Thank you, UCRP.
Dingin di beringin.
Terima kasih UCRP. Dingin di beringin terbaik.